Joe and 2 weather, Kamakapili.
Another chilly evening tonight, and as we progress into tomorrow, starting off the new week, we are starting to see some elevated threats. Our UA, that's moderate. Our rain's going to start to increase with an incoming cold front. Jellyfish, we have another day or so before they start to move deeper into the waters of the south-facing shores. And then our winds and our surf, for now, that's okay, but even the surf, that could be elevating. We do have another swell starting to build in tomorrow evening, peaking on Tuesday for north and west-facing shores, but another larger swell that looks to be starting to build in Friday and peaking over the weekend. Until then, to start off the new week, 4 to 6 footers coming down on the north, 2 to 4 for the west, 1 to 3 on the south-facing shores. Again, box jellyfish visiting, 2 to 4 also on the east-facing shores. That's going to remain light on the east-facing shores for a while because we don't really have those easterly trade winds until we get to the latter portion of the week. As you see, as we progress through Monday, we're going to really have that washing machine effect as that new cold front builds in. Following that cold front, you see a lot of these actually really breezy winds, northerly winds that's going to come down. You can expect the cold and chilly conditions to continue, especially into starting Tuesday into Wednesday. With the variable winds tomorrow, we are going to see just a slight increase of VOG for Maui County, but once that northerly wind starts to fill in, you can expect all of that to be blown right back out, and we're going to get back to more clear skies, especially behind that cold front. Now, we're expecting that to start to approach Kauai and Niihau by tomorrow afternoon. That's where we're going to start to see the clouds start to build up and the moisture associated with that start to impact. And then once we get through tomorrow evening into the early mornings of Tuesday, that system will continue to make its way down to Maui County and then continue its trek towards Hawaii Island throughout Tuesday and hopefully being pushed out towards the east. Again, behind it, a lot more dry, a lot more cooler conditions, so you can expect to grab that sweater just again until we get to the latter portion. By the time we get to around Thursday or so, we're going to have the return of the easterly trade winds. You can expect our temperatures to gain back up to average temperatures for this time of the year. But once we're looking into tomorrow afternoon, again, that cold front around 12 o'clock reaching Kauai, making its way down towards Oahu over the evening into early morning hours, Maui County to start off Tuesday, and then that's going to keep the wet, and even that threat of thunderstorm activity will remain for Hawaii Island, as we do have some instability that is towards the east, plus an upper level disturbance that is quite cold, so we may actually have some snow on the summits of Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, and even Haleakala as we get out of that cold front. Until then, tonight it's a quiet night, though we did have some shower activity towards the east of Hawaii Island. That's pretty much the only place with some showers. Other than that, it's been very dry across the islands for today. Tomorrow, again, the second half of the portion, we'll start to see that shower activity from that cold front. For Tuesday, that's going to be mainly for the eastern portion of the state. Cold conditions for the middle of the week. Trade winds return around Thursday, Friday, but then we lose them yet again next weekend for another cold front that will be approaching. Sam, back to you.